हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोल्ला आंबेली. आतां एक बायट आयकिला आमगेलो कुट्टोरेचो MLA बाब रेजिनाल्ड, आनी तेणें गोवन रिपोर्टराक तेणें सांगिल्लो म्हणजे आपल्याक एक काम आसलोलें हें सनबर्न सावथ गोवाक जावपा नाक म्हूण, आनी तें आपूण जायना जावपा आपल्यान सगळें कितें करपा आसलो तें ऑफिशियली तेणें केलें म्हूण CMा मेळ. आनी दुसरे MLA बाद हेज टेकन इनटू कॉन्फिडन्स, आनी एक दोग जाण MLAची नांवांय सांगलें म्हणटा तेणें. पूण जावं म्हणटू आलेस बाबागे तेणें नांव सांगलो ना हितू, इट डजंट मॅटर एनीवे.
बाबा जाता तुमी म्हटलें की IDCन हेका परमिशन दिवना, सो फुडें आतां हेजेर कितें जालेलें आसा सनबर्नाचेर?
सनबर्न म्हणटे सावता जायना जाच्याक मुगे काम आसलेलें. So my job was not to go out and shout on the newspapers or shout on the streets, but my job was to convince the government not to have it. Me, along with a few MLAs and Movin Gudano, who was on the IDC also, Minister of Industries, and plus Tanwaz and few MLAs, we met separately the Chief Minister. And we told the Chief Minister we don't want a sunburn in the south. I respect the people who have opposed, there is no question of disrespecting them. But targeting me selectively, that was not right. Like as though I Sunburn Alda जायते हांव काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंटा बरोबर first time I met him, and I told him for the first time, don't have it in the south. Do anything but don't have it in the south. So I am happy that Chief Minister has agreed not to have it in the south. It was our prime job to see that, as it is, I had said, in the IDC we have got no mandate to give it. So IDC was out. Then somebody came to see it and all this. See, they explore options. But then we were hell-bent that we were not having it. But Pressa Sangpam, I last election, I was very clear. I said I will not go into the issues of the state. We will concentrate in our constituency. My job was to see that I work for my constituency, which I am doing, and also to protect the interest of the people that are, I'm following interest protect purpose. So we have, in principle, if at all we have done a follow-up for this, is there is no question of sunburn in the south.
So in principle it is no sunburn, out of contention in south.
Out of contention in the south.
कित्याक ह्या सन्मानाचेर निशेध मारपाक आमचो वेल्डेचो आमदार बाब क्रूज सिल्वा वॉज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट MLAs म्हणल्यार जाता फ्रंट सारको फुडें आसलोलो हें सनबर्न आमकां हिंगा सावता नाक म्हूण. आनी हांवेंनूय ताका जायतो म्हाजे तर्फेन सपोर्ट केलो, कारण आय वॉज नॉट सपोर्टींग एन MLA ऑर क्रूज सिल्वा. I was trying to see that this destruction and poison आमकां हिंगा सावताक नाका, कित्याक तेमी डिक्लेअर केल्लें तें सावता म्हूण. सो इनिशियली जेन्ना आमी तेजेर निशेध मारलो, पंचायतींनी निशेध मारलो, रेजिनाल्ड बाब केम आउट विथ स्टेटमेंट that he will not allow it to happen at Kitol in IDC हितून. आनी आमच्यो किटॉल पडटा ते आमदारांनी म्हणलोलें एल्टन बाबान that he will not want this sunburn over in Betul म्हूण. बरी खबर ही सगली. पूण मागीर एक सस्पिशन जावपा लागलें की तो वेर्ना येता म्हूण प्लेटोचेर. तेन्नाय आमी हेजेर निशेध मारलो आनी आमी स्पश्ट सांगलो आहा दॅट सावथ गोवान जे तेमी डिक्लेअर केलां जातलो म्हूण, तें आमी सावथ गोवा हें जावपा दिवपा नाय at any cost, even at the cost of repercussion toward the tourism industry म्हणनाका कितें म्हूण, at the cost of repercussion to the tourists also. We will not allow it to happen in these areas. ते जावं वेर्ना म्हणनाका तूं किटॉल म्हणनाका, कांयच ना. हें सावथ गोवान नाका, बिकॉज दे सेट सावथ गोवा and we are opposing that South Goa. So, Ata, let me come to the bites that regional Bab gave. रेजिनाल्ड बाबान सांगितलं दॅट ही इज नॉट फॉर दी सनबर्न एटलिस्ट or he would convince the CM that he wouldn't want to have it in South Goa. And तो म्हणटा principally the chief minister has agreed not to have this sunburn in South Goa. And जरी तर if this is true, then I must appreciate whatever Reginald Bob might have done in his capacity as an MLA. दुसरे तूं तें पड विक्टीम कार्ड हेटा न्हू तुका टार्गेट करता आनी तुका टार्गेट करूनाय जेन्ना तूं म्हणटा दॅट तूं लोकल इश्यू घेतलो यू आर नॉट लोकल रेजिनाल्ड बाब यू आर नॉट लोकल यू आर ग्लोबल कित्याक IDC इज नॉट लोकल IDC म्हळ्यार लोकल सो यू आर नॉट ओन्ली एन MLA ऑफ कुट्टोरीम यू आर देन बिकमिंग अ रेस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन रेस्पॉन्सिबल पॉलिटिशियन फॉर द होल ऑफ गोवा स्पेशली साऊथ गोवा ताका लागून आमी तुजे बरें आमगेल्यो मनांतली सगळी आमची दूख आमी तुजे बरें मांडटाय तें तुका सॉल्व करूं जाता तुवें सॉल्व करपाचें करूं जायना जाल्यार फायन आमी जाणाय मागीर रस्तो कितें काडपा जाय तो सो बेजिकली साऊथ गोवान इट्स क्लियरली सांगिलां नाव आय होप बेटर सेन्स वील प्रिवेल ऑन अलेक्सबाग सिक्वेअर बिकॉज आमकां ह्या गोंयच्या भुंयेचेर एक रोगताचो थेंबो नाका वी डोंट वॉन्ट अ सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ माय गोवन्स टू बी शेड ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ गोवा बिकॉज ऑफ दीस सनबर्न वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट ए सनबर्निंग नाका देन द होल बॉल विल बी ऑन अलेक्स सिक्वेअर नाव रेजिनाल्ड he has washed his hands he has said he has tried he has convinced the CM not to have in South Goa and that's it and hope that be so because sometimes it's difficult to trust into MLAs and ministers and the chief ministers assembly ek ulayta and dusre ko tai so sometimes it's difficult to digest so I hope Reginald Bob will stick to this nonsense not to have it in first of all South Goa which they have declared so देव बरें करूं सगल्यांक आनी I hope आमचें हें गोंय माणकुलें गोंय सदांच अशें उरचें थँक्यू वेरी मच